is the waltz progressive step. We're going to show you the leaders part first. I'll put my back to you so leaders can follow along. We do the first half of the box beginning with our left foot forward. We go 1, 2, 3. Now, instead of stepping back on the right foot, we're actually going to go forward 4, 5, 6. Let me show you from the other side. Left foot begins first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's demonstrate the followers part. So Ashton's going to do the first half of the box, starting with her right foot. She goes 1, 2, 3, and now 4, 5, 6. You notice her left foot went back instead of coming forward into the box. Let's demonstrate again from another angle. Right foot starts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put it together. So if you're struggling to put this together with your partner, it might be because your frame is collapsing. When you're traveling forward through the space, there is a tendency for that to happen. In order to avoid that, leaders, you need to make sure that your frame is really locked in place, that your shoulder joint and your elbow joint aren't moving. There's no bending or extending of the arms. They just stay in place. And again, if the follower feels like I'm getting too close to her, she can always push me away to keep the space between us. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go the other direction. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's important for followers to wait with their left foot bent and ready to be moved either forward and backward. Let's demonstrate with Ashton. So pay attention to her left leg here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now she's poised and ready for me to either move her this way if I'm doing the box, or this way if I'm doing the progressive. If you're having trouble dancing this with your partner, it might be because either the leader isn't being clear in which direction they'd like to go, or the follower isn't waiting for the signal.